see some beautiful landscape, drink a little. You might even end up a little tipsy.
We're on the right tour.
Likely. So I always like to say a bit of congratulations to the people who take this tour, because it's really not everybody that comes in Quebec City and go on this island, and to me that is a must do, okay? Beautiful place. We're going directly on the farms, on the production site where it's made. We're gonna meet the people that are doing it, and what you're about to taste today, well, it's pretty much the only place where you can have it, which make it even more special. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or insults, any moment, make sure to address them. I'm really talking.
I've never been to Quebec, but I've heard it's a wonderful place for letting me go, for letting you flow through the life you deserve. I've never been to Quebec, what I've read is the perfect place.
On this silver platter, we have Belgian chocolate. Everything is made on the 3rd floor, as you might have smelled already. Never thought I would become a hand model.
Merci?
Merci.
Yes?
So it is a soft cone with salted caramel topping. I hope that you are enjoying our farmers market bus tour on l'Île d'Orléans. We are now at a vineyard, and behind me is a old structure dating back to the 1600s. We are just having a blast. We have the best tour guide. He's hilarious. Everybody's having fun. We've had chocolate so far. We're about to have wine. And what did we have first? Oh yes, we had the coffee. It was really good. So yeah, this is an awesome tour if you come to Quebec City.
How could I blame him for falling in love with the most beautiful girl?
Way over there you can see some ski slopes. That is Mont Saint-Anne, a very popular winter resort for skiing.
The first one you're going to try today, it's l'héritage. L'héritage, it's a new product. If you look, it's the first one of that little thing here.
Life has ever seen.
The Montmorency Fall. Ta-da!
Oh my goodness, that is...
My goodness. Yeah. So yeah, it's taller than Niagara Falls. Of course, it's less wide and there's less water going through it. Do you see her? She's there in the fog.
Yes.
Yeah.
There was this cute couple, Mathilde and Louis. They were madly in love. But 1759 is a year of war. So, beautiful Louis had to fight. Louis died courageously in battle on the beaches of Beauport. Mathilde, she couldn't live without him. Her heart was completely broken. And the date of the wedding was August 15th, 1759. And she did wear his wedding dress, her white wedding dress, to jump from the top of the fall. And we never found her body.
Wow.
And since then she's the white lady of the Montmorency Fall.
But the specialty from here, this is the ice cider. Do you know the ice cider? No? Ice wine? Yes? Okay. Ice cider we make with the frozen apple. -10 to 20. We fresh the frozen apple, and the apple juice is very natural sweet. And we add yeast and we ferment. But we have a special types of apple for to make the ice cider. Cortland, Sparta, Macintosh. You know this type of apple? Okay. Inside we have 9% of alcohol, and the name is the drink of God.
Si bonheur que j'avais ramassé, il était tout en pleurs sur le bord d'un fossé.
Quand il m'a vu passer, il s'est mis à crier, Monsieur, ramassez-moi, chez vous, amenez-moi. Mes frères m'ont oublié, je suis tombé, je suis malade. Si vous ne me cueillez point, je vais mourir, quelle balade. Je me ferai petit, tendre et soumis, je vous le jure. Je vous en prie, messieurs, délivrez-moi de ma torture.
Maybe you know that we are a blackcurrant producer, so we are growing our own blackcurrant on our field that is just across the road. So we are making our own wine, liquor, and also gourmet product that maybe you had the opportunity to taste there. This wine is made the same way as a grape wine, but there's no grape inside. It's only blackcurrant, and it's a very festive wine. We want to serve it very cold. As an appetite.
I've never been to Quebec, but I'm sure it's one hell of a place.
This afternoon, on this food tour, I have the privilege of being with you.
And it's smoked the cold way, so it's smoked it. The smoke goes through crushed ice before it touch the salmon. So that means it's cooked. It's not cooked at all.
My heart lies here, my life lays there, and I'm sick, and I'm tired, and I'm warned of loving her.
How cool is that? You have a honey hive here, and they just let the honey drip down into a glass, and you can just grab a stick and give it a taste.
Quebec, and you know
we make maple syrup at springtime, so it was like a week ago.
Pretty fresh.
Yes. So this is because at springtime the maple trees produce maple water. This is the only time of the year they do that. So it's it looks like actual water and it comes out of the tree. But we tap the trees to collect this water. And then the tap has like plastic tubes that connects all the trees together, and it brings the maple syrup, the maple water, and so we collect this maple water and boil it into the sugar shack where the maple syrup is made.
You left me intrigued.
The mid-50s, the late 50s. Certainly a student. When all the bars were closed at 3 a.m., drive home, hungry, open the fridge, French fried cheese curds and gravy, put all those things together. You got a pudding, P-U-D-D-I-N-G, pudding. And then he claimed another word, poutine. And that word was totally unknown. Mr. Poutine 50 years ago, totally unknown, so could claim a new word. Okay. And then you develop your own recipe with meat sauce because you have an Italian background, or you love foie gras, or you love lobster, or whatever.
The oldest grocery store in North America.
On the left there to see those very old
wines. So basically, one des chansons were the monks who would drink the wine for the kings back in the days. So basically, to make sure that the king were not poisoned. So what we're gonna have for you today is a first esquisse of what we do. So we're gonna have, as you can see, you have one wine in front of you, and we'll have the bite that goes with it. The truth is, it is grape juice that is fermented, so it's just keeping it back to basics. It's just about what's in the bottle, what's in the glass in front of you. It's about what's the food about. It's all about sharing. It's all about caring. It's all about having a good time with people around the table. So it's what it's all about here.
But before I go, I would like her to know I wish I were your good.